All right, so we all go through things as Christians, as people, we all go through a whole lot of things. But the things that you go through, they're not meant to throw you off balance. They're not meant to bury you. They're not meant to disable you. And they're not meant to stop you from living out your God given purpose. The things that we go through are meant to catapult us, are meant to launch us, are meant to be learning zones. They are meant to be just a picture that just shows you what you're doing wrong and what you need to do right. How you're doing things. They're like systems that keep you in check. So some of these systems, some of the wrong things they do, detours, some of the things that look like they're setbacks. You're supposed to learn from them. That's how you'll be catapulted to get more. That's how you win in life, by learning from your mistakes. So, what? Don't beat yourself up too much about your mistakes. Learn from them. Learn to write them down, what you've done wrong or what has gone wrong. Then derive lessons from it and be able to build stronger systems, be able to be more resilient, be able to develop yourself whilst looking at what you did wrong and what you didn't do right, so that you can live to tell someone else about it, how they also can alter their lives so that they can go to their God-given destiny. Why I say these things are not supposed to bury you. In Psalms 23, the word says that though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil, for you, O Lord, are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Meaning that you might be in that valley, you might be in that season where things are just haywire and things are not going right. But if you look up to the Lord, your help will come from the Lord, and He is with you. He'll guide you if you ask Him to, and He will help you learn whatever you need to learn, such that you go to your next level in life. So, one of the things that I also say is that Psalms 34, verse 19 says that if you trust in the Lord. Psalm 34, verse 19, maybe let me quote it as it is. It says, many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. This means that you will go through setbacks, you'll go through challenges, you'll go through situations, you'll go through circumstances that will seemingly act as if they want you to be stopped in your tracks. But these things are things that you ought to look at and learn from them. Look at them and see how best you can navigate and come out stronger, come out more resilient, come out with your faith being tested and becoming stronger, come out with lessons learned that you can use to catapult yourself to the future, to catapult yourself to growing, to catapult yourself to development, and catapult yourself to winning in life. So these things are not meant to bury you. So do not let them bury you. You have God in you. Let them catapult you to your next level.